In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a caption to a photo in Constant Contact. This is a great way to enrich your marketing emails or newsletters by adding meaningful descriptions or notes to your images. Let's get started and make your communication more effective. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Constant Contact. This is the host platform we will be using today. Once you've conducted your search, click on the link to go to the Constant Contact homepage. It's important to ensure that you're using the official website as it will guarantee a smooth and secure experience. When you arrive at the Constant Contact website, locate the Login button, typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Here, you will need to enter your email address and password to access your account. Make sure your credentials are correct to avoid any login issues. Once logged in, you will find yourself on the dashboard. This is your command center where you can create and manage your campaigns. To begin, click the Create button. This will get you started on crafting a new message or campaign. Next, you'll want to select Start from Blank. This option gives you the flexibility to build your email or newsletter from the ground up, allowing you to tailor it exactly to your needs without the constraints of pre-existing templates. In the Builder interface, you'll find a section dedicated to layouts. Locate this and explore the different layout options available. For our purpose, we're looking for a layout that supports both an image and text. These layouts offer the perfect opportunity to display a photo alongside a caption, keeping your message clear and visually appealing. Once you find a layout that suits your needs, drag it into the email workspace. Position it according to your design preferences. You can adjust and experiment until the layout aligns perfectly with your overall vision. With your layout in place, click on the block you've just added. This action will allow you to modify its contents. In this block, a text box or area will be designated for your caption. Go ahead and type your caption here. This can be a description or additional information about the image you plan to use. It's up to you and what complements your overall message best. And now it's time for the visual element. You'll want to ensure your image is ready for upload. Click on the designated space or option to upload your photo. Choose the image you want to include from your device. Once the image uploads, it should appear seamlessly within your chosen layout, and there you have it, a beautifully paired image with its caption, all set to be part of your next email campaign. Adding captions to your photos can really make a difference in conveying a clear and engaging message, helping you to communicate more effectively with your audience. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing.